Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel for the part 2 of how to edit your videos on Power Director. And yeah, let's get right into it. And maybe for maybe adding a text, you come to where I've just clicked and maybe take something like that, add. And when you add it, you'll see that it actually comes on the bottom of the video. You click on it, then you tap to edit. Let's say if you want to write like Noella. So maybe if you want to write your name, you just write Noelfa. Then you click. Then you can put it wherever you want it to be. If you want to edit it, you just click on that pencil over there. You can choose the design that you want, the color that you want here. If you want it to be centered or like that, bold it, or maybe italicize it, the font, everything that you want, the color, just everything that you may need is here. Then if you want to add a video on top of the video that you actually have, let's take this one. You come there and you can place it. Maybe if you want to place it here, and I'll just show you guys what we have right now. I don't want to I don't want this video to put down, so yeah. If you want to edit that video, maybe remove the volume and all that, here it is. Everything you need to know, the opacity, the fade, everything. It's right here about the video that you're actually adding. So let me just get rid of that. You already see how the name appears, and there are many designs that you can actually put it. And what else have I not showed you guys? Maybe if you want to add a picture, let's maybe take this one. You see it will appear there, and you can actually place it wherever you want it to be. So see, that's basically what you do. What else have I not shown you guys? Adding music, you click where the blue is on is this the left side or the right side? The left, I guess. Then you click on this music note or whatever it is, and just maybe let me just choose a song. And actually this is where all your songs are here. Every song that you've downloaded is here. So maybe let's take this one. If you maybe want to preview if that's the song that you really want, you can play it to confirm if that's the song or if it's not. And yeah, so that's what you do. And on editing the song, you maybe just click on the song as you do in the video, then click on that pencil. Maybe if you want to split it, you will. If you want to remove a part of it, maybe that part, you just click on the delete and it will be deleted. Maybe if you want to reduce the volume, if you want it to fade in and fade out, so you can just Oh my god. We just get rid of this. Yeah, so what else? Yeah, that's basically it. I think I've shown you guys everything you need to know. I assure you, with like a little practice, I really didn't get like an in-depth video of like editing my videos, but this one really helps. I assure you, I literally got to know it like in like a few days of me editing. I just got to know all the basics. And if you really want to edit your videos well, just start with knowing how to split. The splitting is everything. Splitting is just everything. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope I was helpful. I hope you were able to understand, although I'm like really not good at explaining things, but I hope you understood it. And I'll see you in my next video next week. Bye.